We have a large tornado down over there on that left side of the wall cloud. Large tornado. Definitely bigger than the earlier tornado. They pretty much have that whole wall cloud down. Definitely a large, looks like multi-vortex tornado over there. Looks a little less organized now than it did a few minutes ago. This is getting dangerously close to Dodge City. Not sure if it's still down or not. You can certainly still see the rotation over there though. See if I can move any closer. I doubt I can get a lot closer. It looks like it's down again over there. It may have been down the whole time. Large tornado. I think you could just about legitimately call that a wedge. This tornado would be southwest of Dodge City. Very large tornado. It's the same tornado again now. But I'm getting very nervous about this stuff that's gone up over here southwest. I don't want to get caught in a hailcore. But I don't want to stop watching it. I think I'm going to need to drop. Yes, it's down. It is definitely down. Trying to get some video of the tornado, but I'm also trying to not get caught in a hail core here because these storms are moving up over real fast. I think if I can get west, I might be able to avoid the hail core. It looks like that tornado could be roping out, and again, that lead wall cloud could be getting ready to do something else. Definitely roping out. I need to find a paved road that goes west. Rope out. Still down. Still down. We're about to have another tornado to the east of this one that's roping out. But I've got to get west somewhere here or I'm going to be in the hail. And it ain't easy with all